Welcome, my name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist. Today I would like to introduce you to brown rice and kale salad with pomegranate and feta cheese. This dish is a great lunch option for everyone who is looking to supercharge your energy and wants to stay healthy and well nourished. Brown rice is gluten-free and rich in insoluble fibre. It provides steady supply of energy, and it is a wiser option above white rice. Kale is a well-known superfood, one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. The great thing about kale is that it's jam-packed with vitamins. Eating 1 cup of chopped kale gets you over 200% of your daily value of vitamin A, 130% of your daily value of vitamin C, and almost 700% of your daily value of vitamin K. In addition, kale contains important minerals such as manganese, potassium, and copper. Cooked kale offers more iron per ounce than beef. For this dish, I have chosen feta cheese, which is easier digestible than a dairy and also has a smooth texture which gives the dish creaminess. Goat cheese is also higher in calcium when compared to dairy. Ingredients such as pomegranate add extra vitamin C, avocado add heart-friendly monosaturated fatty acids, and nuts bring more protein as well as vitamin E. And what's the results? The result is a healthy, tasty dish that can be served on its own or as a side dish perfectly paired with pan-fried fish. So let's put it together. So we begin with kale, place it into the bowl and mix with other ingredients. So you can use your hands with this. I add bits and pieces of salad, avocado, nuts, and you can use nuts of your choice. I've got some macadamia nuts here. I also use red onion that gives a bit of a crunchiness, and the feta cheese, brown rice that can be pre-cooked, mix it well together. Add pomegranate for extra flavor and vitamin C, and herbs. On the end, don't forget to put your oil, and this is an important part because we use kale. We would like to massage the kale with your olive oil, and that is for one reason: to make the kale softer, more palatable, as well as be able to release some of its nutrients to the dish. There you go, that's almost done. Now you can use extra salt and pepper. I also like to add zest of lemon for flavoring and some lemon juice. There you go. Once you mix it through together, you can serve it by its own or as a side dish to possibly pan-fried fish. I would choose pan-fried fish or maybe steak. There you go, that's ready. Have a look at that. This is looking good. Beautiful, healthy, easy to digest, and good for you. There you go. Voila, thank you.